Hello everyone, we are Team Nemesis Karting from Kekewak Institute of Engineering and Research, Nasik. Starting with a business pitch video, content overview, vehicle picture. This is a CAD model of a car, a car's description, engine 125cc engine with 5-speed transmission, low manufacturing cost, compact chassis, material used for chassis AISI 4130 offers an intense racing experience at an affordable price. Left hand side driver cockpit, market analysis, market segment, and our positives. In market segment, the propulsion 76% of global market is captured by gasoline powered go-karts, applications, recreational go-karts, racing go-karts, and rental services, audience, adventure sports, motorsports enthusiasts to corporate and event organizers. Our positives, we provide a kart with a 5-speed transmission, lightweight, compact, and a unique design with 3D bends, low manufacturing cost, and intense racing experience. Our commitment, teamwork, and resilience were essential in developing a high performance go kart optimized for both speed and precision. Our production cost for one kart is 1,38,000. We need 336 units to be manufactured to achieve a break even point. To get this, we have used a formula fixed cost upon selling price divided minus variable cost. We achieve a break even point at 3 years from manufacturing. Business model canvas includes key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segments, key resources, channels, cost structure, revenue streams. A plant layout is divided into three sectors: manufacturing area, secondary area, office area. In secondary area, we have our own track, painting area, and storage section. In office area, we have all administration work done. Our team consists of 40 members, in which 10 are in administration with 30,000 salary per month, 10 are in machining with 15,000 salary per month, 20 are in assembly and fabrication with 8,000 salary per month. Financial sources, loan with planned interest, sponsorship, investors, government schemes. Sales strategies, discount and pricing offers, proportional events, rental services, product customization and merchandise, collaboration and partnership, customer incentives. Marketing strategies divided into social media, business expo, mobile app development, providing sponsorship, content creator, camps and workshops. Environmental impact, energy use and emission, noise pollution, waste generation, tire waste. To overcome this, we have come up with solutions with engine equipped with BS6 engine, reduce emissions, improve fuel efficiency, better air quality, waste management, less noise pollution. Vehicle briefing, profitability, cost efficiency, digital transformation, continuous improvement, market penetration, innovation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Manas Barse. I am a member of Powertrain subsystem of Team Nemesis Karting and also the primary driver of this team. I am here to give you a tour of the team. Let's meet the captain and vice captain.
I am Sarved Dano. I am captain of Team Nemesis Karting.
I am Prashantwa, Vice Captain of Team Nemesis karting.
Our team manufactures a go-kart. Our team consists of total 17 members.
And our go-kart is 5 different subsystems: chassis, braking, steering, engine and transmission, and electronics.
This is our new car and driving this room. Let's see what the members. The engines don't really start without us powertrain people. So let me take you to my needs.
Hello everyone, myself Yash Shinde. I am from ENT department of Team Nemesis. I will be walking you through key components of engine and transmission. We have used Raider 125cc engine. It has around 10 horsepower and 11.2 Newton meter of torque, which is helping acceleration and efficiency of engine.
Myself Siddhant Shinde. We use a air-cooled engine it is consist of a BS6 basics model, and it has a 5 manual transmission, and its pattern is 1 down 4 up. And further information.
Let's see what our chassis members are doing.
Hello, I am Ajeenkya, core member of Team Nemesis karting. I am working in chassis subsystem. We have aimed to manufacture India's most compact go-kart. So, this is our CAD model of chassis, and in this chassis we use AISI 4130 material because its strength and durability.
Hi, my name is Nisha Singh. I'm core member of Team Nemesis karting. So we have used TIG and MIG welding process in our chassis and use seamless pipe for manufacturing process.
Hey, my name is Sakshi Nikam. I am the core member of Team Nemesis karting, and I am currently working in an engine and transmission system.
Let's see what the braking and steering guys are doing.
Hello, my name is Neeraj, and I work in brake subsystem. We use hydraulic operated brake in our go-kart, and we use dot 4 oil in our reservoir, and our braking torque is 302 Newton meter. Further, Abhishek will tell.
I am Abhishek Dawange. I am working in braking subsystem. We are using a floating caliper with double piston in our braking system, and we have used rear wheel disc brake in our car. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ishan Savanke. I am steering member of Team Nemesis karting. In steering system, we have used Ackerman steering system. In Ackerman steering system, inner wheel rotates more as compared to outer wheel at a common center of rotation. It is used because it resists the skidding, and it's better for cornering. Our turning radius is 1.5 meter, that is 1500 mm. For the
Hello, my name is Pranav Avdane. I am working in steering subsystem. In our kart, we use a 19-degree Anchorman angle, and the various components are used like steering wheel, steering column, pitman, tie rod, and knuckle. Thank you.
Let's see what Mahesh has to tell us about the electronics.
Hello, my name is Mahesh Hire, and I am working in electronic subsystem. In our card, we have optimized the wiring of TVS Raider 125. In it, we have added the kill switches and BOT, which are very important factor for the safety of our card. Our card has speed sensor, RPM sensor, temperature sensor, and many more. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Manish Hire from Electrical and Electronic Subsystem. Our EMF system of go-kart consists of ECU, control unit ISG, thermal sensor, gear position sensor, and many other sensors. Our go-kart has 2 kill switch and 1 BOT in case of emergency.
This was all about Team Nemesis, and it's only about time until we come on the track.
Let's see the journey of Team Nemesis karting. These are past achievements of our team. We won championship with Falcon V2 in International Formula 9 Go-kart event. Then we achieved All India rank 4 in AIRC with Falcon V2. Then with Pinaka we secured All India rank 4 in Edgeline Championship. At last we achieved All India rank 4 with Ashwamed in NDKC season event.
So welcome to our engineering workshop. This is the place where we fabricate our go-kart. So let me give you a tour of it. So this is the place where our kart usually is, and everyone is working right now. So we just did our engine maintenance and we are doing the assembly work. So this is the CNC turning machine. Now all the parts that require turning accuracy, we machine it over here. And this is the VNC machine. So all the vertical operations which are required for our parts, we do that over here. So this is the lathe shop. We carry out all our turning processes over here. So this is the fitting shop of our workshop. These are the hydraulic press machines which help us to carry out the press fitting. So this is the welding shop. This is the TIG welding machine and that is the MIG welding machine. We have preferred TIG welding on our card because AISI 4130 has a better TIG weldability. So this is the carpentry shop. We actually make our go-kart fixtures and C-clamp fixtures on this vertical CNC wood machine.